dear children. Hope you all are doing well at home. So let's start our English class. And today I have taken two-letter sound words, and you all have learned and practiced writing sound A, E, I, O and U. So I have written some words starting from A, starting from E, I, O and U. You can see here on the blackboard and you can read it with me. A, E, I, O and U. You all know there are 5 vowels and you can count it on your hand also. So let's count it with ma'am. Let's revise it with ma'am by saying A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Now here are some words starting from the first sound, A sound word, A, R, R. A sounds, A sounds, A sounds, R sounds, R. So when we will speak it, when you will say this word, you will say like R. What you will say, children? R. Okay? Then the next A, P, A. Third one, A sounds, A. G sounds, G. Ag. Ag. But how you will speak that? आप कैसे बोलेंगे उसको? Aga बोलेंगे? Aga? No. You will say ag. Ag. At. 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 A sounds, A. T sounds, T. At. Number 5, an, nahi, no, an, an. Then we will go to the second sound, E sound words, et, at. E sounds, a. T sounds, t, at. E sounds, a. D sounds, d, at. Not add. Add नहीं बोलना, add. N, E, N. N sounds, न. N की आवाज क्या होती है? न. N, E, N, N. An नहीं, N. A, N, an. A, N, an. बड़ा माउथ खोलेंगे. An. A, N, an. E, N, N. E, N, N. E, L, L, L. E, L, L, L. E, G, egg. A, G, ag. A, G, ag. E, G, egg. Okay? Then I sound. I, B, ib. I sounds, E. And B sounds, B. Ib. I, P, ip. P sounds, P. I, P, ip. I sounds, I. G sounds, G. I, G, ig. Likewise, you have written A, G, ag. A, G, ag. E, G, egg. I, G, ig. What? A, G, ag. E, G, egg. I, G, ig. I, D, id. D sounds d. I, D, id. I, N, in. I, N, in. Okay, like you have written here. A, N, and. E, N, N. I, N, in. I, N, in. E, N, N. A, N, an. Okay. Now we will go to the O sound word. O, G, og. O sounds O. G sounds G. O, G, og, op, op, od, odd, ot, odd, ox, ox. Okay, like you have to read ag ag. If you will read like this, ag ag, eg egg, ig egg, og og, og og, ig egg, eg egg, ag ag. Okay, now u sound word. Ug ug, u sounds o, g sounds g, ug ug, up up, ug ug, ut at, un un, u sounds a, n sounds n, un. Okay, now let's read it together downwards. Okay, ARR, AP at, AG at, AT at, AN, ET at, ED at, ENN, ELLL, EG egg, IB ib, IP ib, IG ig, ID id, IN in, OG og, OP og, OD odd, OT odd, OX ox, UG ug, UP up, UG ug, UT at, UN un. Now we will read it forwardly. Okay, ARR. Now we will read it only by reading two letter words together. Okay, R. R. Open your mouth and say it loudly. R. At. Ip. Og. Ug. Ug. Og. Ip. At. R. Second line, we will go to the second line. At. At. Ip. Op. Up. Up. Op, ip, at, ag. Okay, now the third line is ag, and ig, odd, ug, odd, ig, and ag. Now the fourth one is at, al, it, odd, at, ought, it, al, at. The fifth one is an, egg, in, ox, un, ox, in, egg, an. So my dear children, I hope your concept is clear of these all A, E, I, O, U sound words, and do practice. Say it loudly, speak clear words, write neatly in your English copy, speak it loudly, learn it, do practice, and always remember that you have to open your mouth as the sound is coming out of your mouth by writing. All the letters are having the different sounds. You all know that all the letters are having the different sounds like I, E, A, U, O. So when you will say these all the words, you have to follow all that sounds when you will write and learn. So be blessed and be healthy. Thank you and God bless you.